the wholesaler used the wrong contract. What should I do? So guys, take out your notepads and your pens, okay? Because I'm answering questions right now. There's a question right there that just because I did not lay out the question doesn't mean there wasn't a very specific, very common question. And here's the question. Pace, the wholesaler that I'm going to fund my $1,000 earnest money to, the wholesaler used the wrong contract. What should I do? Does everybody understand that that's the question?
Yes.
First thing that you did properly is review their contract is step number one. Review their contract. Guess what they didn't use? They didn't use the contract that we as a team need to educate all the wholesalers in the nation that they should be using this contract in order to get Gator Lending from us. So you used the wrong contract. And why is that so important? Well, we covered this in Gator Lending number 3, which is the contract that you use should give you the ability to get the earnest money back in the event that the wholesaler can't find a buyer in their first 10 days.